My name is Harold Cranton. I'm a dean and professor at Chicago-Kent College of Law. I've noticed the past couple of years that students who can decide on what path to specialize in an earlier time have an advantage in getting that first job. So to that end, we designed 1L Your Way. Under the program, students can take a building block doctrinal course in their second semester the first year, and thereafter get a head start on that specialization path. Alternatively, if students don't know what area of law to specialize in, they can take a rotation in our clinics and decide what type of legal work is appropriate for them and what kind of legal work excites them. Thereafter, all sets of students can then take specialty classes and choose their externships and get part-time jobs and start networking in a way that will facilitate that chance for that wonderful first coveted job. We hope 1L Your Way is a wonderful platform for which to launch your career. Under the 1L Your Way program, students can opt in their second semester to take from a variety of building block courses, such as patent law, employment relationships, or business organizations, and that'll start their path to a specialization at an earlier rate. In the summer after their first year, and then second and third years for part-time work, students will have that leg up because they'll know more about the area in which they want to practice. So we think this element of the 1L Your Way program will serve a wonderful goal of trying to prepare our students as well as we can to meet the realities of today's job market.
My name is Heather Harper. I'm a clinical professor and an attorney at the law offices of Chicago-Kent. I run the Entrepreneurial Law Clinic, where we represent startups and small businesses in their everyday transactional needs. The law offices of Chicago-Kent gets to participate in the clinical rotation part of the 1L Your Way program, which is a very exciting program where first years are able to rotate through 3 of the 7 different practice areas at the law offices. We think it's going to be a really beneficial program for a few reasons. First, students are able to see practice groups and practice areas of the law that they may not have realized they were interested in very early on in their career. And they're able to then focus their classes and externships in clinics and other experiences in law school in order to reflect that type of knowledge. And the second reason is that it's really important in the practice of law to have context. And we're able to early on put substantive law into a practice context to help students understand how lawyers actually practice day to day. And I think that type of context is really going to be academically enriching for the rest of their law school career and sets the stage nicely. So we're really excited for the students to come and to be involved in this program.